Dear students, welcome to back my channel. Today I am explaining you 7 types of primitive unit cells are shown in figure. So this is cubic structure. Here alpha, A, beta and A, B and C. This is A sides, B sides and C sides. They are equal. And angles alpha, beta and this is B and gamma. Three angles, they are equal, they are 90 degree. So this is called cubic structure. And they are tetragonal. Here alpha A barabar B, two sides are equal and C are not equal, C are longest. And angles alpha and beta and gamma are equal, they are 90 degree. So this is tetragonal. And this is orthorhombic. Here A sides, B sides and C sides are not equal, and angles alpha, beta and gamma are equal, they are 90 degree. And they are, this is hexagonal structure. Here beta बराबर 90 degree, alpha बराबर 90 degree and gamma बराबर 120 degree. And A sides and B sides are equal and C is not equal. Okay, there are three sides. And here trigonal, here A sides, B sides and C sides are equal. And angles में alpha and beta are equal but gamma are not equal. Okay, gamma are not 90 degree, alpha and beta are equal, they are 90 degree. Then monoclinic में A sides, B sides and C sides are not equal. And alpha and beta are 90 degree, gamma are not 90 degree. This is gamma, this is not 90 degree. Beta and alpha are 90 degree. Triclinic, here A sides, B sides and C sides are not equal. And angles alpha, beta and gamma are alpha not equal to 90 degree. Alpha angle is not 90 degree, beta is not 90 degree and gamma are not 90 degree. Okay, and this is cubic structure. Primitive lattice types, primitive body centered and face centered. Axial distance A sides, B sides and C sides are equal. And angle में alpha, beta and gamma बराबर not 90 degree. And here example sodium chloride, zinc blende, copper, potassium chloride and diamond. And here tetragonal structure, primitive body centered. Alpha and beta बराबर है, C is not equal. Alpha, beta and gamma बराबर 90 degree. Examples white tin, SnO2, TiO2 and CSO4. Orthorhombic, primitive, body centered, face centered and centered. Alpha, beta and gamma बराबर not equal. Alpha beta पर gamma बराबर 90 degree. This is rhombic sulfur, KNO3, BeSO4, K2SO4 and PbCO3. And there are hexagonal प्रिमिटिव ए बी बराबर है, सी बराबर नहीं है. ए बी बराबर 90 डिग्री, गामा बराबर 120 डिग्री. ग्रेफाइट, जेडनो, आइस, मैग्नीशियम एंड जिंक. हेयर रोम्बोहेड्रल और ट्राइगोनल प्रिमिटिव अल्फा बी बी सी बराबर साइड्स, अल्फा बीटा इक्वल, गामा बराबर नॉट 90 डिग्री. एग्जाम्पल कैल्साइट. एंड हेयर मोनोक्लिनिक, primitive and centered. A, B, C, three sides are unequal. A alpha beta angle बराबर 90 degree, gamma बराबर not 90 degree. Example monoclinic sulfur, sodium sulfate into 10H2O, PbCrO4. And here triclinic, primitive structure, alpha beta and gamma बराबर not 90 degree. Three sides A, B, C are not 90 degree. Example CuSO4 into 5H2O, K2CR2O7 and H3BO3. Okay, thanks for watching video.